and even into Saturday, but it's not tropical, though we have a lot of things happening in the tropics. We will likely have Francine form in the Gulf soon. We could get a tropical depression. It's likely to form in the Atlantic, and then behind it, another area with a medium chance of tropical formation. But let's start with the Gulf. Right now it's called potential tropical cyclone 6, but it is expected to become a tropical storm soon, and it will move north along the western Gulf of Mexico and move off the east coast of the Mexico, Texas, and then the Louisiana coast as well, and likely strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall. So that will happen Wednesday afternoon, strengthening into a hurricane, and then perhaps making landfall somewhere near Lake Charles, but the cone extends from places like Houston towards the New Orleans area, and from there then it will move north towards Little Rock. But again, it's called a potential tropical cyclone right now because it could bring tropical storm impacts within the next 48 hours to land, although it's not technically a tropical storm just yet. It doesn't have that organization and strength just yet, but it is expected to become one, and then it will be called Francine. And models are in pretty good agreement how it will likely skirt the Texas coast and then make landfall somewhere near Lake Charles in Louisiana, perhaps, before it continues to move up to the north. It is not a threat to us here along the first coast, and even that possible tropical depression forming out in the Atlantic, it will likely stay out in the Atlantic and not be a threat to us either. We do not need anything tropical, especially because of all the rain that we have had, and we will continue to see. It does look like if we start to dry out, it will be right in time for the Jags home game on Sunday.